So when it came to remote jobs, I always used to think super, super small. All I thought about was, well, if I have a remote job, I don't have to wear pants, I don't have to travel to work, and on top of that, I can also save money on food. And in reality, that sounds pretty impressive, and it is, right? Don't have to wear pants. And by the way, just so we are clear, I am wearing pants. They're just not that professional, all right? However, though, the idea is that sounds very attractive. But when I thought even bigger about it, a remote job can enable you to literally work from anywhere on this planet. And when I thought about that, I was like, yo, the people in America that are poor, that have, for example, like a very low wage outside of America, that would be considered almost wealthy. And to me, that was super impressive because it meant basically I could take my money, go somewhere else, and all of a sudden I have a much better lifestyle. So last year, I was in New York. Then I came to Puerto Rico, and I'm in Puerto Rico, and I'm like, yo, you know what I'm doing? I want to spend 3 months in Dominican Republic, okay? And now I can do that because, again, my job is 100% remote. Now, before we start thinking about, well, where am I going to move, huh? The idea is first we have to find you a remote job. And in this video, I'm going to give you 5 remote jobs that don't really require that much experience whatsoever, and they're very simple to actually get into. And by the way, they pay good money, but it's not like you're gonna be paying, for example, like 100K. It's more like 30K, 40K, 50K, 60K. And in reality, it's not that bad because remember, everywhere else, that is gonna be a lot of money unless you wanna stay, for example, in a very expensive city like in New York or California and so on. Now, let's get right into the video. As always, guys, like this video. On top of also subscribe, more videos on investing and more videos on how to save money. Now, the very first one, guys, is going to be becoming an English tutor. Guaranteed. About 99% of you guys watch this video right now, you know English, okay? And on top of that, you might say, Tommy, I'm not going to be paid a lot of money for this. Well, how about $21 per hour or about $45,000 a year? To me, that sounds like a very good deal. But tell me, don't I need to go to college and get a bachelor's? The answer is no, not necessarily. However, if you do have that, then obviously it makes you a more attractive candidate. But in reality, do you need it? The answer is absolutely not. But one thing I would recommend, although this video is no experience required, you could, for example, volunteer to help some after-school students for free. That way you basically get that experience. You could also go ahead and say, hey, I'm gonna get certified in communications. That way I also have that. The point is, the more attractive you are as a hire, the more jobs you're going to get. So I would never say, I want jobs with no experience. If you find a job that doesn't require that much experience and that much effort, why not level up to actually get it and also get paid more money? Now, number 2 is going to be, hello, wait, hold up. I gotta call customer service. Remote customer service. By the way, that means literally there are a bunch of big companies out there. You have the Apples, the Verizons, all these companies, they require customer service. Now, obviously, depending on the level of customer service you're basically given, you're going to get paid a different amount of money. Anywhere from 13 bucks an hour all the way up to, for example, 50 bucks an hour. Now, what I would do is very simple. I would go on Indeed, right, and find out exactly what job openings there basically are. And the whole goal, obviously, wherever you decide to go, you have to be able to have a stable internet connection to make these calls. Now, if I'm being honest, and I gotta be honest here, this is actually one of my least favorites because even if you get paid like 25 bucks an hour, you have to be there, like attached to that phone to do all the customer service. It's not like, for example, another job where you kind of just work it, you can kind of just leave and then come back later, or you can finish all your work early because it doesn't require that much, you know what I mean? But customer service is like, you have to be right there all the time. So it's one of my least favorites. Now, one of my favorites is actually number 3, which is video editing, okay? Now, my editor, the person editing this video right now, his name is Paul. He's not anywhere around here. It's not an office. He lives in the US, and I don't. I'm in Puerto Rico right now. The answer is his job is remote. He could be in China or in Chile for all I know. I wouldn't know, and I wouldn't care because he's able to do it from anywhere in the world. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tommy, this can pay anywhere from 15 bucks an hour to 50 bucks an hour to even more money if you're working like a massive project. The answer is yes. But then you're probably thinking, Tommy, this requires experience. I don't know how to edit. The answer is, to a certain level, we all know how to edit with social media. You cut something, you put it together, you make it better, all right? So I actually got my friend a job editing, not with me, but with my uncle. He had no experience whatsoever, and literally in 1 to 2 days, this guy knew exactly how to edit things. Because overall, the software makes it a lot more simple than it used to be. It used to be like Sony Vegas. If you didn't know how to edit, you would have a very rough time. But today, there's a whole, you can edit with your iPhone. Literally, like it's that easy now. So you watch a few tutorials on YouTube and you're basically able to edit from anywhere in the world. Getting paid 15 bucks an hour or 25 bucks an hour, or you get paid, for example, per project. It basically means, hey, I can finish a project like in this amount of time and then I'm free to do whatever I want. To me, that's pretty cool. Now, number 4 is gonna be an executive virtual assistant. Now, I've actually had, for example, a VA before, a virtual assistant, and I used to pay them around $3 to $5 per hour. Tommy, okay, I'm leaving the video. I'm not working for slave wages. The answer is, those weren't slave wages. In reality, remember, everywhere else outside of the US, people get paid different wages. So the wage I paid, for example, those employees back then, that was actually better than the wage they offer in their country. So overall, I was actually paying them higher, which actually made a lot of time for them. And the job was very simple. It's more like data entry. However, you have that, and then you have, for example, executive virtual assistant. Now, these are people that, let's say, for example, I'm like this very busy person and I want to hire someone to search my email, get me this, get me that, get me this, get me that. I can pay you anywhere from 20 to 25 to 50 bucks an hour, depending. So it all depends on what you're doing. Are you handling, for example, the business aspect of this person, or for example, the personal aspect, or are you doing both? One person that I heard this about is basically Ramit Sethi. He has like a virtual assistant, an executive one, and he pays her around, I think, 35 to 40 bucks an hour, if I'm not mistaken. The answer is these people can get paid a lot of money, and it all starts with you, for example, having your first one, getting more experience, and you're able to work from anywhere. And that to me is pretty cool. Executive assistants. And there are also, for example, companies that you can basically work for that get you jobs and are basically trusted and train you and everything like that. So that way, you're able to basically go in and not have to worry. Now, a great book on this is called, for example, The 4-Hour Workweek, where he includes a lot of those different websites to actually go to. And he also has a lot of other remote jobs on there. It's called The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, and I love that book. Now, number 5, and the last one here, is going to be paying you around $39,000, which is actually pretty good. And it's going to be a freelance translator. Now, obviously, okay, to be a translator of something, there's several ways to do it, but I wouldn't recommend it that way. But let's say, for example, you wanted to be sneaky and you're like, I know how to translate. I just put the information in Google Translator, right? And if you're going to be translating, for example, like transcripts and blogs and stuff like that, like it probably wouldn't make a difference. But if you're going to be doing a higher level of translation, for example, with government agencies and different things like that, then in reality, you probably need to know the language and be somewhat fluent in it to actually be able to translate. Now, this means from anywhere in the world, you're able to translate. And again, I just picture this right now. You could potentially be a translator if you know 2 languages. And on top of that, also teach that language and also be a tutor in that language. So all of a sudden you have 2 remote jobs. You're getting paid twice the money. You're able to invest more and also save more. But overall, guys, that's basically just 5 different ideas when it comes to remote jobs you can basically get with no experience really. You can basically just start. Now, I could have included, for example, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, comment down below bonus, so I know you made it. But you have jobs, for example, like being a YouTuber, being an accountant, doing, for example, affiliate marketing, having your own business, right? Doing, for example, retail arbitrage, right? Well, not retail arbitrage, you have to go there, but like FBA with Amazon, because that way you're basically not having to do all that stuff. But there are a lot of different things to do. But the reason I didn't include those because those usually require a lot of work up front, and then you have to basically get it done. And I wanted to make something that's a lot easier. However, if you want me to do another video with only remote jobs that pay you at least $100,000 a year, then comment down below and let me know, and I'll get to work on that. Okay, guys? And as always, guys, like this video. I appreciate it a ton. We have a goal to 500K subscribers within the year. So subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notified. On top of that, up here is another video. Over here is my face. Subscribe. And as always, long-term team officially out.